everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I'm going to show you guys my February progress, and it's pathetic. I just have these 2 pages to show you guys. They have been on the blog. It was just like one thing after another all through February, and I just totally lost my scrappy mojo. I was doing so great the previous month, and then I just hit a wall with it, and I've been taking a break. So this is all I've done, is 2 pages here. I have a couple of the same colors working on both of these pages. I really like how they look next to each other. So first, I have the new friends page. I have blogged both of these, by the way. It's just Olivia with her new little friend from school. And I just snapped this cute photo when we were following them around while they were playing. And I just kept it really clean and simple, just using that February kit that I had put together. I will link to that kit down below. I just shopped my stash, so all the products are really, really old. And then the next page is having a ball, and I really love these photos of Olivia, so I wanted to scrapbook them, and I actually scrap lifted this layout. It was originally a 3-photo layout. I had seen the layout on Paper Issue's website, and since I only had 2 photos, I made it into a 2-photo spread, and I really, really love how this layout turned out. I like the form of it with the big square in the background with the pattern paper on each of the photos being different colored. All of it still works together, even though it's kind of a mishmash of colors. I just really like how that one turned out. And so that's it. That's all I've done. I haven't made any cards. I'm really embarrassed to put this video out there because that's all I did for the whole month. And I got these done like at the very beginning of the month, and then I basically have shut the scrap room door and not come in here at all. So I really need to get a move on with it. And hopefully I can be much more productive in March. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'll link to the blog posts where I talk more about each layout. I'll link to that February kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I know it wasn't much as far as inspiration, and I hope to show you guys a little bit more next month. Johnny went on a business trip, and it seemed like I never recovered after that week of him being gone. And of course, any excuse I make at this point is totally just an excuse, but I've got a bunch of them, and I just basically took the whole month off. Hopefully I will get working on things in March and have more to show you guys. So I hope you guys are well. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.